Hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to do a quick demo of our voice agent, and then we'll also go into our chat agent. So now I'm going to, give it a quick call on our website, and we would chat with it since it's a real estate agent that we're chatting with. So I'm placing a call now.
Hi, welcome to Talden Realtors. I'm your real estate investment assistant, here to help you find the perfect property or investment opportunity.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Are you looking to invest in real estate or find a home to live in?
Yeah, I'm looking to find a nice home to live in.
Great. Which type of property are you interested in? For example, land for investment, luxury homes, affordable apartments.
I'm looking for affordable apartments.
Do you have a specific location in mind? For example, Lekki, Aja, Ikeja, Surulere, Victoria Island.
I'm looking forward to having a land in Lekki.
What's your budget range? This will help me recommend options within your financial plan.
Well, between 100 to 150 million.
Are you looking for a flexible payment plan, or would you prefer full payment upfront?
No, I want flexible payment plan, please.
How soon are you looking to finalize your investment or move into your new home?
Well, let's say within the next 6 months.
Great choice. For affordable apartments in Lekki, I have some options for you. A 2-bedroom serviced apartment for 75 meters, with access to a gym and rooftop lounge. A 3-bedroom apartment in a quiet neighborhood for 950 meters, offering modern amenities and security. Would you like more details about these properties or schedule a property inspection?
Yes, I'd like to schedule a property inspection.
Before we wrap up, I need to collect your name and WhatsApp phone number to assist you better. Can you please provide them?
Sure, my name is Damola and my phone number is 0811 330 8550.
Just a sec. Goodbye.
Okay, so that was a bit buggy, but like you could see that it was able to qualify me as a lead. It was able to ask some basic questions. It was able to get my information, and it was able to basically end the call on its own. And if you look into the dashboard that we have built, right, in our bubble database, so let me just log in and share this tab. You're going to notice that under lead information, a new lead was created. You can see that it was able to capture my phone number, and it was also able to capture the conversation. So all my chats conversation that I was having, it was able to capture it, and I was able to send that information in there. So in case there's like a bug between, the lead that was captured on the call and with the conversation that was created within the chatting experience, the voice experience, it is able to capture that entire conversation and wrap it within the call. So you can look at this, for this case study that we're doing for real estate, it's basically a lead qualification system. And this is not a white label solution. This is basically a solution that is capturing, that is being built from A to Z, right? Integrating your OpenAI dashboard with your Bubble dashboard. So that's just basically a demo of our voice agent. Now let's go into a demo of our chat agent itself. So I'm just going to go on the platform, right? And I am here. And you can see that in this course, we actually walk you through how to build this entire UI from A to Z, right? Starting with the configurations, the chat widgets, the dashboard, the conversations dashboard, and all of that. So if I go in here and start chatting with this particular property, for example, I could say, hello, I, I am interested in your properties, and I click send. It has this functionality of course, we show you how to do that. creating like this thinking functionality before you're able to release the next conversation. And then it says, hello, can I get your name and your phone number? So I can just say, okay, thank you very much. My name is, let me just say Tolulope, and my phone number is 09034567721. Um, and then once I send in this information, what it does is that it creates a function. So we've already created a function on the back end within our OpenAI dashboard. And what it does is that it captures that information, right? Creates a lead, right, from that information, and then goes ahead to store that lead within our dashboard. So if I go into my dashboard right now and in here, share this tab, and I go into my lead, I've seen that I've created a new lead called Tolulope, and I can see the phone number and I can see the date it was created, and I can actually click into this to see the conversations that is happening, between Tolulope and the lead, and it's capturing that info. So that is just basically, it with creating your own chat agent and your voice agent. So in the course we go into this deeper. We also explore building, of course, your lead page. We explore building chat configurations. We explore things around security, privacy settings, adding your users, and then also creating like an FAQ database, which we use to train the chatbot, right? And so we also talk about configurations between OpenAI and Bubble Dashboard. So if this is your introduction to AI and you want to learn how to build this, then you can, sign up for the new course. Thank you.